Hi beautiful people, welcome back to It's Real Time too. I'm Jessica Real and today I'm bringing you guys a very excited video, the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020 unboxing and review video. I'm gonna tell you by the end of the video if I consider worth buying it, so without further ado, let's get started. So for those who cares about the specs, here we got the specs of this base model 13-inch MacBook Pro. So first of all is because of macOS advantage. I have always dreamed and wanted an Apple computer, but I didn't choose the 16-inch MacBook Pro model. The reason is because I don't need to do a lot of professional tasks in my computer. But I didn't choose the MacBook Air neither because I don't do only the basic tasks. So I choose the one in the middle. The second reason is linked to the previous one. The Apple's ecosystem is great. It feels so good to be able to share files across devices without needing to pair other devices or upload it first to the Google Drive and then download it from the computer. The third reason is that even though this is the base model MacBook Pro, it is a very powerful machine. I think it is perfect if you are using it for work or doing some heavier tasks like video editing, gaming, programming, etc. The fourth reason is its durability or good battery life. The MacBook Pro lasts approximately 9 hours of doing basic tasks plus video editing from my personal experience, and this device can at least last 3 to 5 years or even more. The last reason is its keyboard. The brand new Magic Keyboard is the new typing experience. It is very comfortable and smooth. If you are an engineer or software developer and you care a lot about the performance, I think the MacBook Pro 16-inch model will be perfect for you. If you are just looking for a device to do basic tasks like web browsing, spreadsheets, and watching movies, but with the Mac OS system, you should directly go to the cheapest MacBook Air. If you are searching for a great device to do some basic video or photo editing plus some web browsing, Microsoft Office, the MacBook Pro base model will be perfect choice. So my conclusion is that this MacBook Pro base model is definitely worth buying it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it was useful for you. So I see you guys in the next video. Peace out.